Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup with egg noodles. Start by sautéing onion and garlic in a few tablespoons of oil. Add carrots and celery, pour in 8 cups of broth, then stir in shredded chicken and simmer. Finally, add 8 ounces egg noodles and cook until tender, taste and adjust salt and pepper, and finish with parsley for brightness. Begin by heating oil and sweating the vegetables gently to build flavor without browning them. Add 8 cups of broth and simmer to concentrate the taste. Then fold in shredded chicken and 8 ounces egg noodles, cooking until the noodles are just tender. Skim any foam, season with salt, pepper, and thyme, and finish with fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon for a clean, comforting finish. If you're enjoying this cooking guide, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes hands-free while you cook, with a glare-free screen and long battery life for those long simmer sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if it helps you cook and read at the same time, and now let's get back to the video. Season gently as you go and taste frequently so you don't overdo the salt. Add a bay leaf while simmering and remove before serving. Use fresh thyme and parsley near the end to keep the herbs vibrant. Finish with a splash of lemon or a pinch of black pepper to brighten the bowl, and consider a small pat of butter for silkiness if you want extra richness without masking the broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.